In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Destiny Discover account so that you can see what books you have checked out, or what your history is, what books you've ever checked out if you'd like to go back and look at a book you checked out in the past, or to find it so you can check it out again or recommend it to someone else. I click on my login. Your username is your same username as your Chromebook, just the name part of that username without the @FRSD. So I'm going to type in my name for my made up person, Mary Sample. The password, remember, is just the 4 numbers of your password without the FRSD. So I'm going to type in my 4 numbers and click submit. Right, I know I'm in. It's welcoming me. I'm going to go up here, menu. All right, checkouts. All right, I can see I have 2 books checked out. This one it's not giving me. If I click on it, it will tell me the whole title. This is great if you're searching for your books at home. You can't remember how many books you checked out or which books you should be looking for. You can always log in from home and see what books you have checked out. I can also see if I have any books on hold. I know I have these 2 holds pending. I can also see my history, all of the books that I've ever checked out from the library. And I could see if I have favorited any books. When you're looking at books, searching, and you see a book that maybe you're not going to check out this week, but you would like to check out another week, you can click on the favorite button as long as you are logged into your account. So these are books that are my favorites. I might want to check out later. If it's a book I've read and I don't need it on my favorites list anymore, I can click unfavorite to take it off my list. Remember, as always, when I am done, if I am on a library or public computer, I want to make sure that I log out of my account.